As always, we have got exceptionally nice packaging from Apple. These are the brand new AirPods Pro 3 for 2025. And these promise obviously absolutely amazing audio quality, improvements over the previous generation. And I can't wait to unbox these and take a first look. This isn't going to be a review. This is purely going to be a first look at the unpackaging experience, the box contents, and of course the overall first impressions of the new AirPods 3. So we start with this little envelope which says designed by Apple in California. We take the paperwork out. We have got some regulatory information in the back, and then we have got a little fold out sheet which tells you about how to set up your AirPods and how to get the most out of them. We have got five actually different size silicone ear tips. We can scan the QR code for guidance on how to select the appropriate size. Really nice instructions included with the AirPods Pro. And then further down into the box, we've of course got the case itself, which contains the AirPods. And then just under here, we have got a little package which contains all of the different size silicone ear tips. If we open this up, you'll see we've got extra small, small, medium is pre-installed, and then we have got large as well. And it's really important that you choose the correct size, not only for comfort, but it really does improve the sonic or audio capabilities of the AirPods Pro as well. You'll find you get a better sound reproduction with a proper fit. So let's remove this. We can just take this out of the packaging. Very nice case, nice and slimline. It feels a little bit smaller, I'm sure it's not, but it feels a bit more slimline than the previous version. Got this metal piece on the back. On the bottom here, obviously little tiny speaker I think there, and also USB-C. Little place here for a lanyard. Very nice indeed. And then when we open this up, it will of course, if you've got an iPhone nearby, it will start the pairing process. This is such an easy setup on the iPhone. You need to be on the latest version of iOS to pair these, but once they're paired, you're going to experience the really awesome audio that these deliver, including of course spatial audio as well. So let's just remove these and take a closer look. Obviously they're both identical, so we will concentrate just on one. So really nice design. We've got this sort of stalk type design which helps to anchor this into the ear. We've got a slightly different reshaped and redesigned casing on this one, which should be an even more comfortable fit. We've got the various speakers and microphone on here as well. And then of course we've got the silicone ear tip pre-installed. Very nice shape and should offer up exceptional comfort. And in addition to exceptional comfort, they should also offer up really great audio quality. Let's just pop these back in, if I can put them in the right way round. Very easy to pop back into the case. You'll see a little LED light on the front to indicate that they are indeed charging. Really nice package. These promise to be the best in-ear noise cancelling earphones available for 2025. Packed full of new features. I think they're better battery life than the previous generation. We've also got AI translation as well, so you can use these to translate. And I also think they've got a heart rate monitor built in as well. And in combination with your iPhone, you'll be able to use these to track things like steps. So if you do some outdoor activity, these will come in very handy. Really nice design. These are the AirPods Pro 3 for 2025. If you want to pick up a pair of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. And also, if you enjoyed my video, please do hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in another video very soon.